Hello guys, you are welcome to this channel today. Today I want to teach you how to make vegetable coconut rice without frying anything. Without frying it. It's very yummy, it's very good, and it's very delicious. If you want to lose weight, you want to control yourself, you don't need too much frying. But with this, so easy to make and so yummy. What do you need? You need onions, paprika, thyme, and garlic. I'm using meat without frying it, guys. This is good. I'm using scotch bonnet pepper and garlic, ginger, and the rest of your spices. I put the meat, I just parboil it because I'm going to be cooking little. I parboil the meat, and guys, this is very yummy. I put garlic. You can put any spice of your choice. Garlic is very good for our body. Garlic has a lot of great benefits. If you have not been using garlic to cook, try to use it. So I add all my ingredients, all my spices to the meat while boiling it. So this meat, I'm not going to fry it. Meat without frying, you're going to love it. So after boiling, I take another pot and add oil to the gas, add everything. So add the tin tomatoes, and just going to add everything once. I didn't fry anything. I just put the oil and put everything, okay? Even the tin tomatoes, I didn't fry it because the pot is already hot before I put the oil. I did not fry anything. I just pour everything inside. So after that, this is the rice I'm going to be using, this soft rice. I bought it in Leader supermarket. So I just poured the rice. I didn't even roast it or anything. I just poured the rice inside. So that is the stock meat. I pour it inside. You just stir together. So after stirring it together this way, we leave it to be boiling. I've put all my spices, any spice of your choice you put. So now the meat, after boiling it, I add onions. I'm putting it in my hair fryer. You see, hair fryer don't use oil, rather it suck all the oil out. If you don't have hair fryer, you have to have it. So it's now I'm putting my paprika that I cut, and I'm turning it together. Hair fryer is very very good. If you don't have air fryer, you're losing weight. You need it. You need it because it's going to suck the oil out. So after doing that, you just stir. As from now, I'm not going to add water. We just put it on low heat to be boiling. This vegetable coconut rice is so yummy. It's so yummy. So after that, you start stirring without butter. This is very good, guys. This is very good. This is very good. You have to try it out. You are going to love it. You are going to love it. This is yummy. Vegetable is good for our body, and the meat without frying it. So after some hours, maybe 35 minutes, so I bring it out. It's okay this way. Looks so yummy. You see, my daughter is going to enjoy this. The chicken, I put it in the hair fryer. The beef, I put it in the hair fryer. So let me enjoy. Me, I'm eating my own with the hand. African method. Some African method in the typical village. I hope you try it out. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye bye. Subscribe, press the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know when I upload. Bye.